Fun with Ellis.
Hi kids! Today we're going to open our Hot Wheels Looney Tunes collection, and after we open them we're going to watch Ellis and his dad play with them. We have all 8 cars that are in the collection. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's get started opening our cars. First, we're going to open Bugs Bunny's car. It's called HW Papa Wheelie. I'm guessing that's for Hot Wheels Papa Wheelie. Wow, this car is really cool. It's pink, it has Bugs Bunny on the side, just relaxing, and it has a nice blue spot here, nice blue spot, and even the windows are blue. This one's really cool. The second car is Yosemite Sam's car, and it's called Twinduction. It's orange, like Yosemite Sam's hair, and the bottom matches his hat. Car number 3 is Daffy Duck, and it's called 16 Angels. Daffy Duck was my favorite when I was a kid. This car is nice. It's a nice light blue, has yellow windows, and kind of a copper wheel. Car number 4 is for Wile E. Coyote, and it's called Scorcher. This car is cool. It's a light brown and it matches the desert, and it matches the Wile E. Coyote himself with yellow rims. The 5th car is for the Roadrunner, and it's called Scupa de Fuego. Looks like a sports car, which is fitting because the Roadrunner is fast. Blue rims, yellow car. Beep beep. The 6th car is for Tasmanian Devil, and it's called Rockster. Wow, this car is really nice. It's like a Jeep with copper rims, kind of gold rims. And there's Taz. Car number 7 is for Marvin the Martian, and it's called Bubble Gunner. This one looks really cool. Wow, look at this one. There's Marvin the Martian himself. He has green rims. The motor is exposed. And it's like a little bubble in there for him. Car 8 is for Michigan J. Frog, and it's called Horseplay. Wow! It's all chrome. It has the frog on the side and it has yellow rims.
Hi friends!
Are you ready to open the new cars?
Yeah, we're gonna open some new cars. Ready? Pull it back, pull it back! Whoa! What are those? These are the Hot Wheels Looney Tunes edition.
That car.
Oh, what color is that one?
Pink.
Oh, it's a pink car.
That car.
Look at that one. That one's silver. Oh, I like this one. This is Yosemite Sam. Oh, and you know what this one is? It's a Martian. He lives in outer space.
Look at this.
Wow! It's black and red like Marvin the Martian. What color is that one?
Your Jeep is red.
It's a red Jeep. Wow! Oh, I love that one, and it's
Look at that
Taz.
car. Look at that car.
What's this one, buddy?
Let me see.
Oh, wow! It's Wile the Coyote.
She's driving
Wow.
around.
He's driving around and around and around. You know what we could do? We could make all these cars chase each other. Do you want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start out with the pink one is going to chase everybody else. We got to make them run away. Okay? So here we have all of our cars, and you're going to steer the pink one. Okay? Ready? Go. Okay, now we got the blue one with gold rims. This is the Daffy Duck car. So he's probably as fast as a duck. Quack, 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 quack. Oh! He's gonna spin out of control on this one. Watch this. And
Where's the cars? They're here.
here they are. All of them are right there. Do you have a favorite car, Ellis? Do you have a favorite car?
There.
That one! I think that's Mama's favorite or Daddy's favorite. I don't remember. We all like them all.
Mommy likes the silver one.
You like the silver one?
You like this one, Ellis?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I like this one. I like this one. That.
Which one, buddy?
Put them all in front
This
of
one?
him.
Yeah.
Here, let's put them all in front of you and you can see. All right, we're gonna make them go really fast down the slide. Here they go. Here's the first one. Second one. Here comes number 3. He's getting ready to go. Wow! The third one went down just as fast. Here comes Taz. There he goes. Here comes the Martian. I'm a Martian. Whoa! Oh, get the orange one and the yellow one. There you go. Come on, Bugs Bunny. Come hang out with your friends. Ellis knows how to do it the right way. Whoa! Whoa! He went fast and he was on a wheelie. Come on, Roadrunner. He's getting ready to go down. It sounds so fast. Yosemite Sam. Uh-oh, he's going for 3 now. Can you do 3? Oh, wow. Here they go. There's 1, 2, and 3. Whoa. Come on, Martian. 3, 2, 1. Start off! Good job. Here you go. Take your pick. Who's going down the slide next? Oh! It made him crash. Everybody.
Good crash.
Good crash.
Oh.
Whoa! Hey, he jumped. Whoa! 2 cars are at the bottom. Oh no! How about we stack 3 cars at the bottom? We'll see what happens. Oh! Making blast off. You want to say 3, 2, 1, blast off?
He's driving.
Oh, he's driving. He's not a rocket ship, Daddy. That's silly. And
Oops, he's back.
yellow car. Okay, I'm gonna make him jump over the line of cars. Watch this. Whoa! Hey, where are you going, car? Okay, I'm gonna make a line, and then we're gonna make him jump. Can you make your car jump over these cars? Ready? I'll show you. Here it comes. Ah! And then this one.
And this.
And that one, you do it. You try. Whoa! He jumps. Look, he's got a helmet on in the back that looks like Marvin the Martian, and he's driving the car. This is the hookup. So you could hook up another car to him. It's like a tow cable, like how Mater has. So let's do this one. Oh, cool. Oh, he went all the way across. Want me to get him? And flip. Oh.
That was a cool jump.
Flip. Oh, look at him flip. He
Ellis did it.
Ellis, did you make him flip? Hard. All right, we'll knock down all the numbers. We can stack them really hard. Hi. 4, 8, 3, 2, 6, 5. Whoa! The car's at the very top. 7. And 1 to make it a car sandwich. Whoa! Oh, careful! Oh! Now we gotta count in order. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, here we go. Ready?
No, the car.
1, 2. Whoops. 3. 3.
I'm gonna try it.
4. Oh, you want to try it? Okay, 4. Hold it up. 5, 6, 7. Whoops. And then put the 8 one on there. There you go. Number 8.
And a crash.
And a crash. Everybody in the boat, we gotta rescue Orange Car. Hurry, get in your spots. Looney Tunes, come together. We've gotta save our friend Yosemite Sam. Choot, 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 choot. Hop in, Yosemite! Man overboard! Hey, thank you, everybody. All right, here's my spot. Choo, choo, choo. Ellis, thank you for sending the boat to save us.
Thank you.
Now we're all back together as a Looney Tunes family. Silver Frog, Red Taz, Pink Bugs Bunny, Black and Red Martian, Yellow... Who is this guy? Oh, the Roadrunner. And Yellow Daffy Duck. 1,
Yellow?
2, blue, silly dada. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cars in total. Good thing they all fit.
Don't touch my face.
Bye guys, thanks for playing Hot Wheels with us. We loved it. Goodbye.